Hello everyone, today I'm going to present my paper on Robert Sokolowski's book, The God of Faith and Reason. So to this, I argue that language serves as a tool through which faith and reason engage, enabling human understanding of the divine realities intact while still keeping its mysteries intact. In other words, the words and ideas we use every day can be reshaped to help us think about God and the spiritual matters while respecting their deeper meaning. So the first point is that language allows people to use familiar and relatable concepts such as God the Father or Trinity to approach the mystery of God. These terms provide a starting point for understanding complex theological concepts or realities that are ultimately beyond full human comprehension. However, some critics argue that these familiar concepts risk of oversimplifying or even distorting the profound mystery of God, potentially leading to misunderstanding or misinterpretation. In response, language is inherently limited and cannot capture God in totality, but instead, that these terms are still valuable because they serve as a signpost guiding believers toward the mystery without claiming to fully explain it. Second supporting point is that language functions analogically in theology. This means that words and concepts used to describe God point toward deeper spiritual meaning, but do not literally define the divine essence. Critics of this view argue that analogical language can sometimes cause confusion or lead to mistaken interpretations, especially when human language tries to express realities that transcend human experience. So, to answer, analogy is deliberately used to preserve the transcendence and otherness of God, rather than forcing God into human categories. Analogy keeps open the mystery and invites believers into a contemplative encounter with the divine beyond literal descriptions. Third is that despite its obvious limitations and imperfections, language provides a necessary framework for theological reflection and understanding. Some object that language shaped by culture and human imperfections inevitably distorts divine truth and fragments the way faith is expressed across different cultures and contexts. So, to reply, this is a flexibility is a strength rather than a weakness. The diverse ways language is used across cultures actually enrich theological discourse by allowing multiple perspectives and expressions of the faith, deepening the communal search for God's presence. In conclusions, while language is imperfect and always falls short of fully capturing the divine mystery, it remains an essential and dynamic tool that allows faith and reason to engage meaningfully. Through language, believers can deepen their understanding and relationship with God, balancing the needs for conceptual clarity with respect for the transcendence mystery that faith ultimately embraces. Language, therefore, is not a barrier but a bridge guiding the faithful on their journey or spiritual journey toward a deeper communion with the divine. And that will be all. Thank you.